What is one of the biggest problems with working in a CNC machine shop with coolant? Obviously, the air quality from the coolant being turned into mist. So Ian, what have you got on your machines to stop that happening?
Well, we've on all of our machines we've installed Filtermist systems. What that enables us to do, it takes any atomised coolant, takes it out of the atmosphere inside the machine. And what that enables us to do, two things: it protects our workforce and also allows us to open the doors on the machine sooner, which gives us more machining uptime on the machines.
So a lot of people will look at a Filtermist system for air quality and health and safety for your employees, but not many people look at that side of it, that you can actually get in the machine faster so you can keep your machine running for longer periods of time. So have you noticed a big difference with having these compared to years ago when you didn't?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we'd have to leave the doors closed for a number of seconds to allow anything that's atomised to settle within the machine. So gaining seconds on any production process, helps our bottom line basically.
And obviously another thing for the system is, if you open them doors and there's still them particles in the air, obviously they go up, they land on your machines. So does this help also keep your machines cleaner?
Yeah. Taking with the filtration system, it's taking the anything that's in the atmosphere out of the atmosphere within the machine. It keeps the inside of the machine cleaner, helps you to remove swarf because it's not sticking to the tacky coolant that might be left on the table or on the bed of the machine. So yeah, it does help to keep the machines cleaner and helps with maintenance.
And what about installation? Because did you get these systems on the machines or did you have them retrofit afterwards?
No, when we spec these machines, we spec them with a Filtermist system.
And that just makes sure that as soon as that machine lands on your shop floor, it's safe to run.
Yeah, I mean, we're a family-owned business. We take our investments very seriously. So when we make an investment or decide to buy a new piece of plant and equipment, we determine exactly what we want and we spec it up accordingly.
And what about service and maintenance? How do you keep on top of these systems to make sure they're running to the highest of quality every day?
We have a TPM system, so at set hours or however many hours of production, the filters are changed and cleaned. So yeah, it's a TPM system.
And going on into future investments, is this one of the first things you look at and will be on any machine you buy?
We do take our employees' welfare very, very seriously. So taking any nasties out of the atmosphere is very important to us as a business. Obviously, productivity is also very important to us as a business because that just cascades down to the bottom line. The more we can keep, more uptime we can have on these machines, the better.